Hello, welcome to Angela's Busy Bees Garden and Homestead. And guys, this is day 3 of my potato harvest. And right here I have 6 of these totes. There are 2 buckets left that have not been harvested from, and I've got 4 bags with potatoes as well. The bags will probably be part of day 4 of harvest of potatoes, but just wanted to come out today and try to get these potatoes pulled up. And what I will be doing is planting some more sweet potatoes, and I have purchased some sweet potato slips. As you see right here, they come in the 6-pack. I've got 2 of those, and they will be succession planted into these totes once I remove all of the potatoes from these totes. So I'm going to just begin with this one to try to see what's in here. I'm not sure if it's going to do well or not because we had so much rain, and then all of a sudden it was extremely dry. This is a little small one. Get all of the foliage out first, and then I can dig inside of the tote to see what's in there. Okay, a few here. These are the Kennebec potatoes. I'm just going to dig around in here. Oh, I think I saw something. I'm going to continue digging in this tote, and I'll come back and show you what I've been able to harvest from this tote. So guys, I have cleared this bin, this one, and also this one, and so far this has been my harvest, which is not very good, but I have 3 more to harvest from. Yeah, they look like they were trying to produce potatoes, but with the way the weather has just been up and down, they didn't get a chance to get big. So that's why I'm getting all of these little small ones here. But I'm going to keep going and come back with you when I have emptied all 6 of these bins. I decided to just go on and empty out these buckets while I'm already over here. And I just turned it over into this storage container here. And as you can see, these are the red potatoes. This smushy one here was the seed potato. And here are the potatoes here. This is what I have so far. This was a seed potato. Lots of little small ones here. Okay, let me empty the next one. Okay, and I've just dumped the next bucket. Oh. Okay, so from 6 of these storage containers and 2 buckets, this is my harvest. And I'll take these inside, wash them up, and then show you what they look like once they're inside. I was hoping for more, but hey, I'm grateful for what's here, and I have a lot for myself and my family, and this of course was going to be the surplus. So the ones that are sizable, you take to the farmers market. Anybody want to purchase it, they're welcome to do so. But I was also looking as I was pulling up some of these. This here was the seed potato, and it's still very firm. It's not mushy at all. And I'm just going to try and see what will happen if I put these 2 back in a container to see if it'll grow or not. But this is my harvest, and so what I'm going to do now is add some more soil to these bins, and then I'm going to plant my sweet potatoes. They are the Beauregard sweet potatoes, and they should be ready for harvesting in 90 to 110 days. And so although I have sweet potatoes growing already, this will just be another crop growing as a backup if the ones over where I have them presently does not do well. Then of course, I have some more growing here inside of this fenced in area. But thank you so much. Let me go inside and get these washed up, and when I get these sweet potatoes planted, I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay, all of the sweet potatoes have been planted. I'm so glad to have gotten this taken care of because with sweet potatoes they need, like I stated, 90 to 110 days, and trying to get them in the containers and all planted up so that they have a good chance of producing good sweet potatoes before my growing season is over, which is Tennessee Growing Zone 7A. Okay, so now I'll take you inside and let you see what my harvest looks like, and also I'll share with you the potatoes that are still, well, not growing, but need to be harvested as well, that I'll try to get to on another day. Okay? And here's a bag here of potatoes, and also here. And I'm going to let them try to grow a little longer before I harvest from them. But that'll be another harvest day. And here, guys, is day 3 harvest of potatoes. And as you can see, they are pretty much medium size and a few small ones. These, of course, I'm not going to do anything with, but well, some of these could be used like in some green beans or something, but those little smaller ones I'll throw away. And these will be sold at the farmer's market in addition to the other bags of potatoes that I need to harvest. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell for future videos. God bless. Bye-bye.